Welcome to MINDICOR. Today I'll show you how to open an online checking account step by step, even if you've never done it before. Before you apply, have these ready: a valid ID, passport or driver's license, proof of address, your phone number and email, social security/tax number, depending on your country. This makes the process fast and smooth. Pick a bank that fits your needs. Look for no monthly fees, online banking app, mobile check deposit, debit card included, overdraft protection, ATM fee refunds. Top online checking accounts often include banks like Chime, Revolut, Wise, SoFi, N26, Ally Bank, depending on your region. Visit the bank's official website or mobile app. Click Open Account or Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your personal information, your address, your employment or income info, your account preferences. Make sure all info matches your documents. Most banks require a photo of your ID, a selfie or a short video, sometimes a utility bill. Verification can take 5 minutes to 24 hours. To activate your checking account, add money. Buy debit card, bank transfer, direct deposit, cash deposit if the bank supports it. Some banks even give bonuses for your first deposit. Once approved, your bank will send a debit card. Just activate it in the app and set your PIN. Your checking account is now completely ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos on online banking, apps, and digital tools.